It's Roman from Kid Pro Fitness. In today's video, my sister Sophie is going to be joining us.
Hi everyone.
Today is the fifth cycle of the muscle group exercises that we are doing. We'll be focusing on biceps. Biceps are the front part of your arms. Strong biceps are important for upper body health maintenance. Biceps help you pull and carry things, even push things. Biceps also connect your shoulders to your forearms. In today's session, we will work on biceps without using any weights. Therefore, you can improve or maintain your progression from anywhere. There are going to be 3 rounds with a 30-second break. 1 round contains of these 3 exercises: bicep curls, bicep extensions, and bicep push-ups. Let's go. Alright guys, before we get started, I just want to tell you guys that we're going to be doing 10 reps of each exercise. For the first exercise, you're going to put your hands like this, and when you go like this, you're going to push out with this arm and pull in with this arm. So that's basically what it is. We're going to be doing 10 on each side. Let's go. When you do it, make sure to curl your wrist in to make sure that you're doing it properly. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The next exercise is just like flexing your arms. But you start here, flex here, and slowly bring your arms in, like this. Make sure when you're doing this exercise to curl your wrist in to make sure you're doing it properly. Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For the next exercise, it's basically doing a basic push-up. Instead of having your hands like this, you're going to be as far out as you can turn them. Alright, so put your hands as far as you can turn them. You go down, elbows in, and up. When you do this exercise, instead of working your triceps, it's going to be working your biceps. Alright, you ready, Sophie?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Sorry.
Alright, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright guys, that's the end of round 1. Make sure to get some water. Alright guys, starting off with bicep curls. Before we start, I just want to tell you, when you do the bicep curl your wrist in towards your bicep, and you don't necessarily have to grab your hands like this. You can put a fist and put your hand over your fist for resistance. Alright, let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright guys, get ready for bicep push-ups. Remember, not like this. Oh shoot, I'm sorry guys. Bicep extensions. So you bring arms out, curl your wrists when you do the flexing motion, and make sure to flex your arms the whole way through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, now is a bicep push-ups. Remember when you do it, to put your hands to the side as much as you can, and put your elbows beside your body, not out like that. Alright, let's get started. Ready, Sophie?
Yes, sir.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, that was round 2. Make sure to get some water. Now it's 30-second break. Alright guys, this is round 3. Remember to go all out and be as tight as you can. First exercise, bicep curls. Alright, that was a bad one. Let's start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Bicep extensions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we're going to be doing bicep push-ups. Ready, Sophie?
Yes, sir.
Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright guys, that was the last round. Make sure to get some water and well done. Great job guys. In conclusion, these exercises are perfect for those times you don't have access to gym or weights. Like when you're traveling, have an office job, you're at home watching TV, or looking after your kids in the park. Or maybe you just want a simple but easy workout. Other than that, thank you Sophie for joining us.
You're welcome.
And thank you guys for watching. As always, just remember, I always appreciate a like, share, and subscribe. See you next week. Bye.
Bye.